so mo amu nim say African media so no ensema etwa ye ho hia fa social issues ho ene afen so amanfo aware mu nsem anasa relationship mu nsem ano ene ba hanum say ne ya bebo ho nkomo na se na obian so betimi enya eye possible solution be e dey resolve the problems or face e won the marital home na enu ntini na yese mo say ho be yin so be subscribe uwie so a when me notification bell na nkofo do no so na ebre into uwie so na wasan so a share na obi so etimi enya the possible solution or expected so the be resolve the marital problems na do for me do wo ko and then semu anase ni esi ende dey slave queen for ene omo akudro to say oba slave queen bi ana wakwako pie mu ewo main chick ne officer me no kasa nti say wa buru ne papa ye pa na do for ansa na me dey details ne ba be so mo ma me ntwa mo kakra embra me ba me de ba be so mo ebusuyanfo na ke say na America no ne dey maame owarefo no maame na ya ware no ono ana ode nsem no ababeto ona some obeka ni o say I have never been humiliated in my entire life like this. My husband's side chick came to my office today and warned me to stay away from her man. The visit took me unaware and I was just shocked. I felt like the ground opening and swallowing me. She said my husband told her that he married me out of pity. My mom and I begged him to marry me. That he's tired of the relationship and he has given me divorce papers, but I refused to sign them. The last time he made love to me was 8 months ago. But then that is all untrue. Just last month, he made love to me. Just last week, he made love to me and was even expecting me to give him more. But because of work, I couldn't give it and I had to rush up to the house, to the workplace. Okay, I'll say, I don't think he loves me anymore. She was ready to fight me. The lady was ready to fight me. It was my secretary that called security and they threw her out. I was just lost in thought. I didn't even see the gravity of the damage she did until my colleague who took the video of what happened played it for me. I begged them not to release it. I forwarded the video to my husband. I came back from work and I have been crying, waiting for my husband to come home. Look in me in the eye and tell me that what the girl said were all true or untrue. That he told all these to the girl. But so now my husband has not come home. His phone has been switched off. I think he's running away. I'm running mad here. The fact that he's not here to discuss it is adding up more pain. I have 3 children with him. I am the breadwinner. Even the house we are staying was built by me. I respect him a lot. Through my connection, he got his work and they are paying him handsomely. This is how he wants to pay me back. I am heartbroken. How will I face my workers tomorrow? I am hurting. I can't let this slide. I need to deal with both of them. The small brat and my husband. How dare she challenge me like that? Please, can I talk to you on phone or can you discuss this on air for me? And only in sema abayuano and as a mameno ade ababetu another form. Asem we die emu duties na nkasa wo ho nti se wo antakra bi wo ho nche ana ke se wo yi na o de nu wasum na ye se what to was atwen abra ye babaji eye nsem we emu enchene adofo me nua ba eye ama obusu a abeka mensa e wo ha te se ye babedi eye nsem ni mu enchene me nua ba akwaba
bedu so ekia
bibia e fine di
na me adom bibia bo
Nandie slave for no more to say, all tie a nkomo na ake say wa buru no kura wie ma onu kwa na onim miesi otutu ni na say bibia besi esi awie nti na anya so obi di video ana phone ekotwa video ana o de try na enkanya de anko onim ni akọ na hwe be ma me wawore me na uni hwe me na me ye breadwinner me na nkola miensa me na me hwe be hwe won so ka wo na me so ana wanya eye edwuma and then when you do money, we are walking from Kamanika, I want to mamma mentie. What to me, actual barn baby, many years tomorrow. I'm Obana Baho, Abba Promi. Now, wait, so Oba, any bema ware na say oba ne keep secret bi efri eye bema no fa ntu dwa mo se ma no omo ayebone me nia ba we de nia wa kan fa tu dwa maye
Ikea meda wase na masada a fake media phone access se umunya akumapa follow channel yi na Ikea I say me channel from 3 points. One, from side chick point. Secondly, from main wife point. And thirdly,
from the husband.
The husband point. Me very free side chick point, I think that she acted very foolishly and childishly.
Indeed.
Very foolishly and childishly because in the first place, what is your position? If he loves you as much as who preach out there one or the about Bekona, and it shouldn't be your fight. He would be fighting his wife in the house for you. So it tells a lot about who you are to him that you have to come and face it. It means that you can't know you are come to carry another woman's burden upon yourself and you think you have achieved the world. Hey!
But who will say the nature na ebia nia be ma no aka
and tell me my check me and me ba you are carrying another woman's problem upon your head and you feel like the whole world is on you. So myself. Hey, she has made one of the biggest mistakes of her life because this fight first and foremost, she has shown how stupid she is. Nipa bakunya you can hold video. Sister, and then we live in a global village. If I have a video of you, I'll show it to my friend. My friend will show it to a friend. And you might not see it on social media for now, but a day that you will be needed, you realize that it's out there. And secondly, after this fight, you go home and you sit down and you think, what did you achieve from hurting him? You are still married, divorce not signed, so you are still foolish.
Yes.
And Bible cry say abobi wo me brefi abon ha me brefi bi abon ma bi ya wota akoto engosu anya ne de so pa ya so no hu say engosu anya ne de wo di obi kunechi a enya wo dira kosi say ono ne yire na wo enti na wo di. So this fight wasn't your fight. It was a foolish act from the word go. Enti ono go dan chen mo agimi na o de ndi na bra ye for no to chen nyemba main wife no so. I was about to throw all hands upon her and support her until she said something. She is the breadwinner, supporting 3 children.
3 children. She was a very person
building the house, finding job for your husband, doing all this for him, and you think you don't know why he's doing this to you, and he has not come home. It tells a lot about what she is doing. You are the woman, not the man. You have found a job for him, so he still has a job. He has to take his position as the man of the house.
Yeah.
And it has a lot to do with corporate women. Some corporate women, sometimes when they get
like
there,
men in the house,
when they have achieved a lot, a confusion. They think so. I'm being nice. I'm being good to my family. I'm showing love and care. No, know your position. Play your part.
Let a man be a man.
Let him be a man. When men too, when they feel cornered in their own cake, they want to break up. They never like to be cornered. So you will break for the exploit. They are taking care of everything. So the money he gets from his work, he has to spread it. Because he doesn't know what to use it for. So you, some way or somehow, we're pushing it out there. And that's where I come from for her. Say, you shouldn't take the position of a man just because you are in that position to like to have you have it. Yes, so you are just taking a position. No. Even if you have it, once he's still the man and the head of the house, let him take his position. If he's not doing it well, you support. You support. We are the helping mates, not the one who has to be helped.
Right. Yes.
No, yes. So, own equation here and play the game well. And if he's not coming home to talk about it, forget it. Move on, Ami. You don't owe him anything. He even owes you, and he doesn't have the face to face. Doesn't have the courage to face you. Stay your part. Move on. You have done enough. You have kids from that relation. Take your kids and move on.
If you can care for him and care for the children, yes, the fewer the merrier. And one want to know what the end here.
What does she need? What does she need? This sex. Sex. Oh. Let her keep her children. Move on. Forget. That's it. let him go on in his foolishness and let him come on to the man. Bema, as a man, you have been with your wife, you have been married, you have not been able to take care of the house, you have not been able to provide for the needs of the house, you have not been able to find a job on your own, your wife have done all this for you, and you have the courage to go and find another girl. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed that you are belittling your manhood? Then you tell him, you tell the other girl all lies, say, and I may that's so shameful.
And no money be your man.
That's one no Jimmy for me. Tell me, make sure the Jimmy for the man. Or one no you two say, your children say, on any area 19, what you have to only Jimmy and so two. And no, you better not say Jimmy for so no so catch them because you know what the situation at home. If you want to break forth, you are the man, you are still the man. You can tell your wife what you are doing to me. I don't like. You are taking my position as the man. So me, I am tired of being the woman instead of the man. So if you don't allow me to be the man, then I'll show you. I'll go somewhere I can be the man. Or maybe sometimes, so like I said, out of gratitude for better or feeling bad all that I've done for you, and because maybe there are some wives who are like that. When you fight with them, they start telling you when I'm here, no. Maybe or save faith into better or going through that disgrace and all that argument.
But still, you can take action.
And I maybe so. But you should step. You should put your leg firmly down because you are receiving the pain. You are paid handsomely. No matter how small it is, show yourself as the man of the house. So when you are showing yourself now, you still have the courage to come home. They don't say he's so ashamed of himself, he can't come home. And that's the truth of some men. And yet, one or two, some, a whole lot of numbers, they become slaves, they act like slaves in the house. When their wives have something, when your wife knows they act like they really diminish you, then they move out and go and be silly out. Share on himself was shaming it by telling the girl all those stuff and pushing her to go and fight at the office of the woman, but not knowing or not what shaming her because it goes on and comes back to you. Who is the man they are fighting about? Who lied? Who is the center of the situation? It is you. And who is the big shame? And that's what men should realize. Say, if you feel cornered in a relationship, be a man, stand on your feet and talk about it. You are the head of the house, of course. So who should take that position and do it for you? That was the first time I was expecting him to say he would step his feet down and settle the issue. Talk to the side chick, like trash her out. Then talk to the wife, trash her for her wrongdoings. Then be the man. If you want to go on and have another wife, you are the man. You can talk to it. You can talk to her about it and do it. But go and tell a side chick say she should come and fight your wife for reasons so stupid and silly.
Your wife, last submission for
the mechanism say women, married women, we already know our positions. But you know your positions as married women, and so don't be giving chances to the side chicks. Say, oh no, I want to don't give them that chance. I was expecting that the woman would have gotten up, hold her by the neck, slap the one to it's her office, self-defense. Beat her when she goes out. Maybe not also was saying it, and now only to talk about. But sometimes women should know their place, men should also know their place, and everybody should be in his or her own lane. So that never bit my side chicks they and then talk about, but you should also brace yourself up. Say also, who meet such a wall? Now, after so now is the next time we'll be on the choir on them. So I think that's all I can add up.
You are nearby, better was a pan, a nearby Obusua, or no, and not in the football send ever to a year, a jar, Emma Mono. I now add 400 in community in AC. It's most worthy and try for now there to your comment section more am I am. Send a kind of and a month for 85 a solution at the resolve a more marital homes problems and also more relationship more a problem intimate mushroom. Say a comment, more money or bore any a foot one sem MIA. I don't for me, I'm a day and then send me every meeting any a peer bone. More movie if someone best subscribing. When your notification bell, and send a day better than your post video be our African media, won't to be never to me a winnie air cost movies on my house or Asher, am I? Macram.